Hello everybody, in this video I'll be unboxing this Lenoxx Tower Power Board with 10 outlets and 4 USB ports. So let me just open it up. Let's see how it looks like. Okay, just removing all this packaging. There's a handle here at the top. Okay, looks like it has this short cord that plugs in to the wall outlet. Let me remove this plastic cover. Okay, so now it looks like each row has a set of power outlets and there's a reset switch here. So if something goes wrong and you need to reset the tower, you can press that. There's two USB-C and USB-A ports. It's only 5 volts at 2.1 amps. So you can trickle charge mobile phones or other devices. So there's 4 of them and they're located at the bottom row. Now each of these rows for the power outlets, there is a power switch. And each row for the top 2, there's 4 outlets. So there's 4 for the first and second row. And then there's also 2 at the bottom row. So you can turn this around and it looks like it extends the power cable when you turn the top. So they must curl inside the bottom base. Just plugged it in and yeah, there's this switch here. So you can turn it on for each row. Okay, it looks like it's pretty handy to have. Now let me plug it in to the devices and this is how it looks like when it's plugged in. It does its job. You can't really twist it when you've got all the cables running, so that's a difficult part, but I guess you can always disconnect it. Hope this video helped.